Definitions. 121. Which word part means plaque or fatty substance? Answer C. Athero. Explanation. The word part athero refers to plaque or fatty substance such as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries due to plaque buildup. 122. Which prefix means surrounding? Answer C. Peri. Explanation. The prefix peri means surrounding or around, such as pericardium, around the heart. 123. Which type of word part is always placed at the end of the term? Answer C. Suffix. Explanation. A suffix is a word part that is added to the end of a word root or combining form to modify its meaning. 124. Which word part means white? Answer C. Leuco. Explanation. The word part leuco refers to white, such as leukocyte, white blood cell. 125. Which suffix means abnormal softening? Answer A. Malacia. Explanation. The suffix malacia means abnormal softening, such as osteomalacia, softening of the bones. 126. Pain, which can be observed only by the patient, is a... Answer D. Symptom. Explanation. A symptom is a subjective experience of pain or discomfort that is only observable by the patient. 127. Which prefix means deficient or decreased? Answer B. Hypo. Explanation. The prefix hypo means deficient or decreased, such as hypotension, low blood pressure. 128. Which term means a prediction of the probable course and outcome of a disease? Answer C. Prognosis. Explanation. A prognosis is a prediction of the likely outcome of a disease or condition. 129. Which suffix means to rupture? Answer D. Rhexis. Explanation. The suffix rhexis means to rupture, such as enterorhexis, rupture of the intestine. 130. Which term is the plural of appendix? Answer B. Appendices. Explanation. The plural form of appendix is appendices. Matching terms and definitions. 131. Laceration, torn, ragged wound. Explanation. A laceration is a torn or ragged wound. 132. Lesion, C. Pathologic tissue change. Explanation. A lesion is a pathologic tissue change or abnormality. 133. Palpitation, D. Pounding heart. Explanation. A palpitation is an abnormal or irregular heartbeat. 134. Palpation, A. Examination procedure. Explanation. Palpation is a medical examination technique that involves touching or feeling the body. 135. Prostate, B. Male gland. Explanation. The prostate is a male gland that surrounds the urethra. Which word? 136. The body cavities are lined with specialized mucus membrane. Answer, mucus. Explanation. Mucus refers to the mucous membrane that lines the body cavities. 137. The formation of pus is called supination, suppuration. Answer, suppuration. Explanation. Suppuration is the formation or discharge of pus. 138. The term meaning wound or injury is trauma, triage. Answer, trauma. Explanation. Trauma refers to a wound or injury. 139. The medical term meaning possessing masculine traits is virile, virile. Answer, virile. Explanation. Virile refers to possessing masculine traits or characteristics. 140. The medical term for part of the small intestine is ileum. Answer, ileum. Explanation. The ileum is part of the small intestine. Spelling counts. 141. A disease name for the person who discovered it is known as an eponym. Answer, eponym. Explanation. An eponym is a disease or condition named after a person. 142. A localized response to injury or tissue destruction is called inflammation. Answer, inflammation. Explanation. Inflammation is a localized response to injury or tissue destruction. 143. The act of closing a wound by stitching is suturing. Answer, suturing. Explanation. Suturing is the act of closing a wound by stitching. 144. The medical term meaning the surgical repair of a nerve is neuroplasty. Answer, neuroplasty. Explanation. Neuroplasty is the surgical repair of a nerve. 145. The medical term meaning inflammation of the tonsils is tonsillitis. Answer, tonsillitis. Explanation. Tonsillitis is inflammation of the tonsils. Matching terms. 146. Cardiac, B. Pertaining to the heart. Explanation. Cardiac refers to the heart. 147. Gastralgia, D. Stomach pain. Explanation. Gastralgia is stomach pain. 148. Gastrosis, A. Abnormal stomach condition. Explanation. Gastrosis is an abnormal stomach condition. 149. Myoplasty, E. Surgical muscle repair. Explanation. Myoplasty is the surgical repair of a muscle. 150. Myorexis, C. Rupture of a muscle. Explanation. Myorexis is the rupture of a muscle.